Hey, what's going on, Grilla fam? Here is Quick Tip Tuesday. We're going to be showing you how to make perfect burger patties. I'm sure you want some that look exactly like this. So what we're going to do is show you from start to finish how you get them. You're going to want to start with a good sized patty, at least a ½ pound to 2/3 pound. Make that a ball and start by putting it in the palm of one of your hands. Now, using your palms and your thumbs at the same time, push down with your palms and push in with your thumbs, making sure to work the bottom, top, and the sides all at the same time. As long as you're continually doing that, you're gonna end up with a perfectly sized patty by the end, just like this one right here. Let's throw them on the grill and get some good burgers going. Thanks for tuning in, and make sure you like, share, and subscribe.